Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to enable edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search edge. Now from here, just tap on edge lighting style. Now from here, tap on edge lighting style. Now from here, you can select the style of the edge lighting you like, and the edges of your smartphone will start glowing when you receive a notification, just like that. Now from here, you can also select the color. Just tap on color. Now from here, you can select the color, and also you can select a custom color, just like that. Now once you have selected the color, now from here, if you tap on advanced, you can increase or decrease the duration, and also you can increase or decrease the transparency of the edge lighting. Now from here, once you have edited your edge lighting as you like, just tap on done. Now the edges of your smartphone will start glowing once you receive the notifications. And this is how you can enable edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.